In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move objects across a PowerPoint slide and animate images, a skill that can really elevate your presentations to the next level. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, a school project, or any other kind of presentation, being able to animate objects on your slides can help capture your audience's attention and make your message more engaging. So let's dive right into it. First, we need to start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure your preferred presentation is ready to go. Once you've got PowerPoint open, navigate to the presentation you want to work on. If it's saved locally, you can simply open it from your documents. If it's stored in the cloud, access it from your storage there. Now find the object you want to animate on your slide. This could be an image, a text box, or any other graphic element you've included. Once you've identified your object, click on it to select it. You'll notice little squares or circles appear at the corners, indicating that the object is selected. With your object selected, right-click on it with your mouse. A context menu will pop up with several options. Here we're going to choose Cut. This might seem counterintuitive at first, but we're doing this step to create motion between slides. It's part of the setup before applying the animation that gives the appearance of movement. After cutting the object from the first slide, move to the second slide where you want the animation to resume or finish. If you don't have a second slide yet, you can easily add one by clicking the New Slide button in the toolbar. Once on the second slide, right-click anywhere within the slide area. Again, you'll see a context menu appear, and this time you'll want to select Paste. Your object should now appear on the second slide in the exact position and size as you had on the first. Next, we transition to the more exciting part, animating your object. Head over to the Animation tab, which you'll find in the top menu. Clicking this opens up a variety of options for you. In the animation section, you'll find a drop-down menu showcasing different animation styles. You can choose a simple one like fly in or something more elaborate, depending on the effect you're aiming for. Experiment with a few to see what fits best with your presentation's tone and style. And that's it! You've successfully moved and animated an object across slides in PowerPoint. This technique not only makes your presentation visually appealing, but also keeps your audience engaged. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to play around with different animations and transitions. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more tips and tricks to enhance your presentation skills.